I think a perfect outcome for a teen that graduates from Teens Grow Greens is to really have a greater sense of themselves, a greater sense of what they're able to accomplish. A lot of the students come into the program and they've never done public speaking before. They've never had to effectively communicate creative or innovative ideas to other people. Working together in a team and learning how to lead and the dynamics of leadership.
It's a 9-month paid internship that high school teens go through.
Mine's just like keep on going, man.
Healthy living, that's when we learn how to grow our own food, learn what's healthy, what's not.
And not just like for your body though, like mentally, spiritually.
The second part is leadership, and we actually mentor children. We go to gardens around Milwaukee. We like the teachers.
Yeah, like the teachers.
You put effort in and it gets put back to you.
Transplanting, watching the plants grow, see growing into a beautiful plant. Yeah, that's why I stayed.
The Poochie Pouch is a fanny pack for dogs. Right now we're on our entrepreneurship unit. We just learn how to be leaders and business owners.
The first thing we did was go into the bank and open up our bank account. Yeah. I also learned how to pitch and also write a business proposal and everything like that.
Yes, it's about the job skills, but there's so much more involved with it. The core of Teens Grow Greens is creating that culture where there's a sense of belonging.
Poochie Pouch.
Weber's Greenhouse, which is run by Teens Grow Greens. When customers find out that it was all grown by teens, I facilitate it and I organize it and help them, but they truly did like all of the work.
It's like your baby. That's why I was so happy they growing.
Respect, responsibility, resilience, vulnerability, empathy. It's not coming from us, it's coming from them. So it's about them living up to their own values.
It's just really fun to be able to pick something that you grew and you put so much effort into and then like cook an amazing meal with it.
It taught me to be patient. This stuff take a long time to grow. When they're not fully grown, it's like,
I don't think it's gonna grow. Like you'll sit there and then it just sprout out of nowhere and you'll be like, wow, but it grew.
If they leave and they still say, I'm still not quite sure where I want to go in life, but I'm confident in myself that I have the skills needed to get wherever I need to go.